Hey guys, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about one of the major things that comes to winter and fall is to style your outfits. You never know when it will be cold and very breezy and all of a sudden you start feeling that a little bit of warm, so especially in the weather like Bangalore. So winter and fall are the most difficult yet very stylish seasons to dress up. So today I'm here to help you guys how to decide an outfit, how to put together an outfit, what are the essentials that you need in this particular season. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing is investing on a third layer. What is a third layer? It is either a shrug or jackets, sometimes even a shirt and cardigans that will keep you extra warm. This is specifically for like fall season, where if you feel a little bit of warm, you can just remove the third layer, yet you have a very stylish outfit. And the second thing and the most trending thing of all is boots, especially a brown and a burgundy boots. This is so much in right now that you can wear it on denim on denims and dresses and all other sorts of outfits, and this is super trendy right now yet looks very classy and stylish. So the third thing is a tote bag. Not just a tote bag, not an ordinary tote bag, a brown tote bag. This is somewhere in the shade of darker browns or like a toffee browns. So this is very in right now. So if you're planning to invest on a particular tote bag, then these are the color options that you need to be considering this fall and winter season. The fourth and a very classic thing is scarf. So if you are somebody who likes to wear scarf, then go for scarves that is more like an old money colors and print. So this is very in right now. This is one of the most trending things that you can see wrapping around your head with scarf. So the next thing is silk skirts. Oh my god, I am just going mad over this. It gives like a very expensive royalty kind of a touch to your outfit. So if you're planning to invest on skirts, then silk skirt is what you need to buy this season. This, if you're comfortable with, then this is a thumbs up from my end. Sixth thing is not just a trend, it's the kind of colors that's running in trend right now. The old money colors, these are something that people are going crazy about, and this will also look very elegant, very classy and sophisticated. One of the top color combinations that we saw this season is rust orange and olive green. This is one of the most classic color combination, and also the French blue and white shirts are very in right now. The Instagram is taken over with these kind of colors. So beige and almost all old money colors, a royal navy blue and much more, a polo t-shirts in a blue color, some pastel colors. So do your next and the most classic trend, one of my favorite trends is a nail. This time it is not just a French tip, not something very simple, but very elegant maroon and red with a hint of blue undertone in it. I have my nails, this is almost chipped, I have to get it done again. So these are the kind of colors that we are going to see a lot in this fall and winter season, not just for the nails, even the trench coat, overcoats, the boots, the bags. This color is very in right now. I have to choose one color of nail paint for the rest of my life. That will be this color for sure. It is very classy, very elegant, very sophisticated. Eighth one is classic clothing. As I always say, invest on classic and invest on more of basic pieces. So this is one amongst them. Invest on your classics like white button down t-shirts, shirts, and polo t-shirts are very in right now. and a navy blue color shirts and multiple shirts for that matter. A good, very flowy fabric is very in right now. So if you are planning to purchase outfits, then these are the kind of options that you need to keep in mind to look trendy and very elegant. So ninth and my very very most favorite trend is dainty jewelry, dainty gold jewelries. I am in love with this trend. You can see I love dainty jewelries. Even my rings are very dainty, even my golds are very dainty. I love something that's very simple and very sophisticated. So gold jewelries are a big in right now. You can also try with silver jewelries as well. It's on up to you. Let me know if you need a separate video on gold jewelry where I'm gonna show you guys my personal favorites, places where I shop gold jewelries, and there are some alternative for gold jewelries that I trust a lot. So these are the kind of things that you need to be keeping in mind. Gold dainty jewelries are in. I don't think this trend is going anywhere else. So if you're thinking of investing on jewelry, then this is what you need to be knowing. So the 10th and the most beautiful thing is your hair. So we see a lot of blowouts and old money, that velcro rollers and like very blowed out hairs. So this is something that is in trend right now. So if you're planning to do something investing, then invest on a good blow dryer, something that gives you more volume, and learn techniques that will give a lot of volume into your hairs. And this is my recommendation suggestion for this particular season. If you guys have stayed up until this time of the video, then I love you guys. Thank you so much. I hope these tips were helpful. This is my part of a trend forecast for this coming seasons. So if I see something more relevant to this season, I'll put it onto my Instagram stories as well. Make sure you guys check my Instagram. I've put the handles down in the description box below. So yeah, that is it for this video. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye. Love you guys.